Welcome to Techie Apple TV. Today I'm gonna to teach you how to convert document from Word to PDF online. First of all, open your browser. Click on bar search and then type I love Word to PDF. Then click on enter. Here, click on convert Word to PDF, documents, doc to PDF. Select Word files. Select file you want to convert. Let us select practice. Then click open. Click on convert to PDF. Wait uploading file. Waiting. Converting Word to PDF. Waiting. After convert your document, click on download PDF. Waiting. Choose location where you want to store your file. Let us choose desktop. And then here on file name, let us type practice PDF. And then click on save. Waiting download. Here document is downloading. Waiting. Document already is downloaded. Okay, let us close the browser and check your document. Here we have practice PDF in PDF format. Thank you. Please don't forget to make subscribe, like, comment and share to others.